What's more delicious, a cake lip balm, EOS with a gummy bear, or lipstick made from LOL bubble gum? Learn how to make lip balms that look like your favorite candies in our new video. Our lab of sweets and beauty is very busy, but the lab assistant Marshmallow doesn't create new kinds of candies. She just eats them instead. And here is the chief specialist of sugar sciences, Professor Caramel. She will quickly fix the situation. Let's get to work. Caramel quickly turns the M&Ms into a handy lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with chocolate chips. Microwave it. Add sugar. Make a lip scrub. Put the scrub into a flat pot with an M&M's logo. Attach a printed M&M's label to a foil Ziploc bag. And put in the scrub. Caramel gives her experimental M&M lip scrub to the lab assistant, since she loves these candies so much. Check it out! Marshmallow is a true sweet tooth. She thinks that the candy is real. There is sweet chocolate lip scrub in this candy. Try it out! You will definitely like it! Professor Caramel is explaining all about the special structure of sweets. What happens if you mix a lollipop with a gummy candy? The assistant Marshmallow carefully writes down the results. Let's start our experiments. What about a mini jar of candies? Take an empty glitter container. Apply hot glue to the cap and melt it over a candle to smooth out the surface. Put in a decorative lollipop as a handle. Cover the top of the cap with painter's tape. Color the bottom of the cap with acrylic spray paint. Melt lip balm in a microwave. Fill a syringe with it. Put colorful sprinkles into the jar and pour in the lip balm. Mix them together. We wonder what this treat is used for. Professor Caramel tests the new product. What a great lip balm! You get a 3D candy effect on your lips. Marshmallow is working hard to create a new formula of sweet beauty. She mixes up chemical agents to get the right color of a gummy bear. Now she applies the elixir to a candy, and there you go! The new treat is done! Divide EOS lip balm in half. Add different food coloring to each part. Microwave it. Fill a syringe with some lip balm and pour it back into the container. Even out the base. Pour the other part of the lip balm into a silicone gummy bear mold. Refrigerate it. Take out the bear when it's done. Heat the lip balm in the container with a hairdryer and attach the bear. Paint the head of the Haribo bear on the cap of the container using acrylic paints. Attach a printed gummy bear label to a foil Ziploc bag. And put in the EOS. Marshmallow gets a nice result. This is going to be delicious! And now let's test the same formula on a colorful candy to make the experiment fair and tasty. Divide lip balm into 5 parts. Add Vaseline to each part and different food colorings. Melt them in a microwave and pour them into the tube layer by layer. Let every layer harden well. Prime the tube and the cap with white acrylic paint and color it into strips so that it looks like candy. Attach a real Haribo wrapper to the lip balm. Put on the wrapper so that it looks like an actual candy. Make a cut so the lip balm can open. Let's check our results. The candy turned into a real lip balm and stayed just as colorful. This lipstick looks exactly like the same as a Haribo candy. EOS and Haribo are a match made in heaven. Marshmallow fell asleep at her workplace, and she has a dream about the spirit of makeup bringing a dessert for her. It's Candy Apple Lip Balm. Make a round lip balm container more 3D with hot glue. Attach a plastic straw and shape it like an apple with the hot nozzle of a glue gun. Cut the glue along the cap. Color the apple with acrylic paint. Add a layer of hot glue for dimension. Make it look like caramel glaze. Coat the hardened hot glue with stationery glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Here's the apple! So it means that it wasn't a dream and the apple lip balm turns out to be real. Marshmallow loves chewing gum while working. Professor Caramel wants some too. Marshmallow takes a package of LOL gum out of her pocket, but there is lip balm inside instead of gum. Take the contents out of an LOL gum package. Cut the wrapper and hot glue it to the tube of a flat lip balm. Add some glue to the arch and shape a corner to be like the gum package. Mark the top of the cap on a piece of the wrapper. Cut it out and attach it to the cap. Make a cut along the line for opening. It looks like Marshmallow mixed up food and makeup again, but this lip balm is so soft and is great for Caramel's lips. What an amazing idea! But I still want some actual gum. We have a new experiment in our lab. Marshmallow invented magical anti-cavity spray. But something went wrong. Holy sugar, it burns! My poor lips! Professor offers a cure right away. It's candy with a gentle lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with sugar. Add different edible glitter. Stir the mass. Put the lip scrub into a candy-shaped container. Decorate the edges with colored nail polish. Attach a sticker that says candy. Hurry up! Apply the candy scrub to your lips. Sweets are the best remedy. Marshmallow feels better right away. Professor Caramel suggests a dessert to cure the injured lips faster. This is a slice of cake with a magical lip balm. Cut a triangular segment off an organizer with a heated utility knife. Add volume with hot glue. Shape it like a piece of cake. Coat the container with white acrylic paint. Paint the layers. Add colorful dots. Apply pink hot glue as filling. Coat the top the same way. Make it look like glazed drippings. Attach colorful sand with multi-purpose glue to be sprinkles. Add cream peaks made from light clay. Melt lip balm in a microwave. Fill a syringe with it and pour it into the cake container. Marshmallow applies the filling from the cake onto her lips. It's so soft! A little dessert never hurt anybody. And we can continue our experiments. You have to be careful at our lab of sweets and beauty. Professor Caramel almost ate another invention instead of cookies. It's candy corn, but it's made of lip balm. Take lip balm out of its tube. Separate 1/3 from the stick. Add Vaseline to 2/3 and yellow food coloring. Microwave the mixture and fill 1/3 of the tube with it. Let it harden. Add pink food coloring to the remaining part to get orange. Melt it and pour into the tube. Let this layer harden too. For the top, melt the remaining clear lip balm and fill the tube with it to the top. Wait for it to completely harden and cut out the shape of a piece of candy corn. Wrap the tube in light clay. Shape a candy. Press in hollows. Take the tube out of the clay. Paint it white. Also paint the clay. Color the tube yellow and coat it with clear nail polish. Color the clay cap to look like the candy. Stick in the lip balm. Professor Caramel is testing the candy corn lip balm. Pretty sweet! And now, let's keep working! Sugar makeup waits for no one! Did you like our experiments with lip balms that look like candy? Then write in the comments which treat you would turn into lip balm. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new sweet experiments on Troom Troom.